In this video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at the first use, setup and initialization of the SE-S400 register. Now this video presumes that you've bought your till unprogrammed. If you've had your register pre-programmed, then don't follow this procedure. This is the procedure for if you're programming the machine yourself. So we're going to follow the quick start guide, and in addition to the quick start guide you'll need a couple of AA batteries. You'll need your PGM key, and you'll also need the thermal paper till roll. So if we follow the quick start guide, the first thing to do is to load the memory protection batteries. These are just AA batteries that act as a memory backup for the sales and programming data should the till lose connection to the power. They don't offer any power themselves. Basically, there's a little battery compartment underneath the printer cover beside where the till roll sits. You just set the batteries in there, replace the battery cover, and then we can look at part 2 of the initialization, which is to set the paper roll. So we're going to use the machine in receipt mode, so we won't feed the paper onto the spool at the back of the machine. What you do is you lift up the platen arm here gently, drop the paper. It's thermal till roll paper, so thermal shiny side facing down. Drop the paper in like that, close the platen arm back into place. If you were going to use the till in in journal mode, then you would now feed the paper onto the spool at the back of the machine by feeding through the 2 slots on the spindle and then wrapping the paper round. I'll have another video showing you how to load the journal roll, but we're going to use this machine in receipt mode. So we simply replace the printer cover and tear off any leftover paper. The next thing to do is to pop the key in, your PGM key. We're just popping it in the off position for now, and then now we're ready to connect the machine to the mains power. All of the rest of the initialization is fairly self-explanatory. It's kind of led by the on-screen prompting. So language selection, you arrow down to your language and then press CA amount tend. You then enter the date, and the time. Once you've entered it all, you press CA amount tend. The machine will now run through the initialization. Gives you the option of putting in the tax rates. If you're not using tax setting on the register, or you're not tax registered, then you can ignore this. If you are programming tax rates, you don't have to do it now. You can do it in the programming mode once you've initialized the till. I'm going to put mine in now. I know what mine are going to be. I'm going to have tax rate 1 at 20%, tax rate 2 at 5%. I've got other videos if you want to do the tax programming later. I've got another video showing you in detail how to make sure you've got the right tax rate set up and that the rounding and calculation types correct, so they're probably worth checking out. In terms of the initialization, that's actually it. You can either turn the key now to the reg mode to start selling, so you can start selling on the machine straight away, or you can turn the machine around to the PGM mode and start carrying out your programming tasks. So we've got plenty of videos on the probably appearing now actually showing you how to program the 400, and other videos showing you how to use the machine. So it might be worth subscribing to the channel because we're always posting new videos on there, and you can also visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.